Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Tally Health's Sharpen Brain Supplement, a product claiming to enhance focus, clarity, and memory using science-backed nootropics. We've been taking it daily for a month, and we've seen subtle but steady changes. The formula includes ingredients like citicoline, bacopa monnieri, and L-theanine, compounds known for supporting neurotransmitter function and reducing brain fog. What stood out to us first was how smooth the mental energy felt. Unlike caffeine or sugary energy drinks, there's no jitter, no crash, just a clean lift on focus that lasts through the day. On the flip side, the results aren't instant. It takes about 2 weeks of consistent use before you feel a noticeable difference. The capsules are easy to take, though they have a faint herbal smell. We also appreciate that Tally discloses its sausages transparently. No hidden proprietary blends. That said, this isn't a magic pill. It won't turn you into a genius overnight or fix poor sleep and diet. The supplement seems most effective when combined with healthy habits, and the effects plateau after a while. Price-wise, it's on the premium end, but considering the quality of the ingredients, we think it's justified. Overall, we're impressed by its balanced formulation. It's clean, effective, and sustainable for daily use. If you're looking for sharper concentration and mental stamina without overstimulation, Sharpen hits that sweet spot. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.